This is Perry. Perry is a robotic dinosaur modeled off a Deinonychus. The Deinonychus was a theropod dinosaur, similar to the dinosaurs the Jurassic Park franchise calls a velociraptor. In order to bring this prehistoric dinosaur to life in the modern era, our team decided to make a robotic analog of the Deinonychus. The team focused on developing aspects of the design in a way that mimicked biology. The goal of this project was to create a robot that could allow someone to feel as though they were interacting with an individual of a species that has been extinct for over 100 million years. Perry is made up of a 3D printed skull and 10 3D printed vertebrae. The team conversed with paleontologists to learn about the Deinonychus in order to create Perry. The skull was based off of a laser scan of a real Deinonychus skull at carnegielabs.org and was modified in SOLIDWORKS to contain mounts for eye and jaw mechanisms.
The vertebrae were designed over 11 iterations in order to achieve the desired performance and motion. In order to create the desired S shape of the neck, each vertebrae has a specific flexion, determined by mechanical stops. Because biomimicry was a key element in this project, the team decided to use hydra muscles to move the system. Hydra muscles were invented at Popovic Labs as a muscle analog. They are made of a rubber tube which is sheathed in one-way stretch fabric. This fabric allows the muscle to lengthen without increasing in diameter. And flow is controlled by handmade variable flow Smiley valves, another invention of Popovic Labs. To make the calculations for the neck simpler, the team utilized Bowden tubes to keep the length of the tendon strings constant. The robot is capable of basic neck motions and features an actuated jaw and eyes.
The muscles are controlled by a suite of Arduino Nano Everys mounted on custom printed circuit boards. Each receives data from one analog device's inertial measurement unit and two resistive slide potentiometers, and each controls two custom hydraulic valves via PWM. There are three secondary Arduinos, each responsible for controlling the muscles of a vertebral second. This API is used by the primary Arduino to control the pose of each vertebral section. To do this, we treat each section of the robot as a continuous curve. This curve can be parameterized and used to create modified DH parameters for our forward kinematic model.
Future project work will focus on expanding motion capabilities and integrating a higher level of sensor-driven interactability.